Welcome back to our channel, guys. For today's video is about Pretty in Pink Tablescape 2020, hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime and Fabulous Designs on a Budget. If you haven't been to their channel, guys, please go ahead, check it out. I will put the link on the description below so you can easily access their channel. They have lots of amazing contents and you can learn a lot from these two lovely ladies. We were asked to create a tablescape and add the color pink on the decor. You also need to add the tablescape on the playlist and include the link of the host, which I'll be putting on the description below. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some comments below too, guys. We love reading comments. So let me show you around, guys. Let me start with the plates that I used. This is just a regular plates that we use at home. I just added a paper plate on top of it for the appetizer, and then I used the table napkin from the St. Patrick project. Then the runner, this is actually a scarf. It was a gift from a friend, and looking at it, yeah, it has the pink flower and it's a good addition to this project since I don't really have flowers at this moment. I think it blends well with the other decor. I have this centerpiece. This is actually a Christmas chandelier. I bought this Christmas chandelier last year from Canadian Tire, Cambie downtown area. It's a good deal when I bought this one, and it looks perfect, and you can use this for all occasion. Like, I don't have flowers, so I am happy when I did shop around the house and find this chandelier. Then I added pink burlap to the vase to enhance the color, and I think it turned out okay. I think it turned out nice. And I added those Easter eggs. You've seen them probably on my other videos. I really want to add something on the table, but unfortunately we're too afraid to go out, so this is just what I have. Just stick around, guys. Keep on watching. And then the garland, you can see this silver garland as well. It looks nice on the printed orchid flower, right? And yeah, I also have this candle holder. I just added what I can on this tablescape, and nothing really phenomenal. I just did some shopping around the house, and this is it. I hope you like it, and I hope you learned something from me today. Please do like, subscribe, and comment below, guys. We love to read your comments. And thank you to Diva Designing on a Dime and Fabulous Design on a Budget for the open invite. My apologies for delayed upload, and thank you again for allowing me to join in this open club. I am learning myself new things every day. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done yet. Like and share. Leave any comment. We really appreciate it.